Hi, are there jobs in Finland for English speakers that offer visa sponsorship? The answer is yes. There are over 1,000 jobs in Finland for English speakers that also offer visa sponsorship. There are jobs in academics, there are jobs in health sector, there are jobs in sales and marketing. So guys, before I dive into this video, this is the Chiblo channel. Those of you who don't know me, as for my returning subscribers, thank you guys. You guys are amazing. You make me do what I do here. So let's dive into today's video. There are so many jobs in Finland that offer visa sponsorship. I'll be listing them for you and I'll be telling you the pro and the cons. All right. So stay with me to the end of the video. There are jobs in marketing, academics, like I've said earlier. Now, I was going through most of these jobs. I saw that some of them, I love honesty. Some of them have a clause, language. If you follow my videos, you know that I always emphasize on the language, right? So the thing here is that if you see any of the criteria and it says Finnish language is a must, what do? You jump and pass, because there are so many jobs vacancies. If they require language and you are not competent with the language, please check for the next one until you get your desired outcome, right? Secondly, the best way or another way for you to get into the job offers is that, number one, you need a CV, a Finnish CV or a format, Finnish format. So you find Finnish formats on the net and write your CV based on the Finnish way. Aside that, tell them your motivation, why you're motivated to work in the company. And please leave the motivation very simple. Don't exaggerate, don't bring BB grammars, Finnish people love it very simple. And how eager you are to relocate. Tell them how eager you are to relocate. Lastly, guys, if they are not willing to sponsor your visa to Finland and you see that the salary is very okay and you decide to take the job, you can also sponsor yourself, right? Yeah. So I didn't see where they wrote that they're going to sponsor you in the jobs I checked for, but you have to apply for the jobs or to the jobs first before they see that, okay, you're not in Finland and they decide to sponsor you. I didn't apply to any of the jobs. That is why I did not see where they wrote that they're going to sponsor me. So I would like you to go through the jobs, find the one that suits you, both in health sector, both in marketing, in all. I will leave everything in the description box. So number one of the jobs is Glassdoor.fi. Glassdoor is in Helsinki. These are platforms where you can search for the jobs. They're all, you just click the link, it takes you down to the job, the platform. You select the one that's the category. If it's IT, if it's health sector, you just select. All right, so Glassdoor is in Helsinki. Another one is Get Fired in Finland. This one has over 400 jobs opportunities, but the biggest of them all is EnglishJobs.fi. These English jobs have over 1,000 plus jobs. When I opened it, it has jobs in all the sectors. So whichever be your choice or your career path, you select to make the list, to make it shorter. You select, and then if you didn't see the one that suits you, you can also subscribe to them for them to be giving you the vacancies updates. Go to the website. Yes. So guys, this is what I have for you. For those of you that have not subscribed, please subscribe. And for all of you that have watched this video to this point, please comment something. I love you to comment because I love feedbacks. It makes me better